I, Samuel Ayomo Edun, having been elected as the chairperson.
I, Erofil Lobin Bojaros, having been elected as the vice chairperson.
I, Daniel Etabe Atoro, having been elected as the deputy treasurer.
I, Eoi Ingorol Meklin, having been elected as a treasurer Kawapa.
So help me God.
Chama cha Kang'atodha Ward Professionals Associations Kawapa kiliandaa hafla ya kuapishwa na kukabidhiana uongozi katika hoteli ya Serenity mjini Lodwar. Hafla hiyo ilihudhuriwa na viongozi kama mwakilishi wa wadi aliyeteuliwa Mheshimiwa Mary Yarupe akihudhuria kushuhudia tukio hilo muhimu. Mgeni rasmi aliyekuwa anatarajiwa kuhudhuria Mheshimiwa Emade Namwar hakufanikiwa kufika kutokana na kujitokeza kwa shughuli nyingine za dharura. Hata hivyo, hafla iliendelea kama ilivyopangwa, ikiashiria mwanzo wa uongozi mpya na kuimarisha mshikamano miongoni mwa wataaluma wa wadi hiyo.
Respect is never given. Respect is always earned. And you earn respect by first of all respecting yourself. That is how you earn respect. By first of all respecting yourself and commanding that you be respected. Bwana sifiwe. I want to say that as an association body, we should not, the elected and the leaders that have been sworn in, you should not fight for these positions for your own selfish gain. Like when you want a position in the county government, there are people who normally say that if I become a chairperson of an association body, I can easily be spotted. So it becomes that whatever you are selling, the agenda that you want to sell is your own agenda.
This is a great day for us as the newly sworn in EXCOM, and we appreciate our members for trusting us for this leadership. Me as a symbol of unity for the association, and I want to make sure the association gets united, starting from the leadership, that is the political class, coming down to the members. We become united, we speak with one voice so that we achieve the agendas of development in the world, on how we can serve our community better.
This is an opportunity we receive with ecstasy and pride because we are going to the history. It's partly formulated this association from a mere concept of paper. And as a leadership, we've committed tonight to work for the professionals and make sure we put a smile on their faces, because they have a lot of expectation on us. And you can witness today, what has impressed us is the enormous and ambitious stand-up, especially from the young professionals. Massive and enticing to work with. And this implies a great future.
Steven Nakua nikiripotia katika runinga Ikoba TV. Shukran.